Hey there guys, are you tired of your junk removal business not getting the leads it deserves through Google My Business? In this video, I'm going to show you how to 10x the amount of leads you get through Google My Business for junk removal. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mario Flores. I started a junk removal business in 2017. I documented the entire process on this YouTube channel. You can check out my first videos I posted. I quickly scaled the business to $250,000 in revenue in the first year, and I show you how to do that on this channel. So in this video, we're going to be covering how to use Google My Business to increase the amount of leads you get for junk removal. Introduction to Google My Business. First things first, let's talk about what Google My Business is. It's like a free business profile that Google offers to help you showcase your business. But setting it up can be a bit tricky, right? Sometimes you might even face suspension if not done correctly. So let's go over the proper ways to set up your Google My Business listing. Choosing the right category. The first step is crucial to make sure your business is listed under the right category. If you're a junk removal business, it should be under garbage collection services or waste management services, unless, of course, you're a dumpster rental business. Business name and description. Now, your business name matters. You want it to be accurate, but it should also help you rank. You need to avoid spammy names like Junk Removal Services and Dumpster Rental Services of Fort Lauderdale. That is not a real business name in Google's eyes, and you will face a suspension. You can obviously get it back if you can provide proof that that's the real name of the business. In some cases, I've seen that even if you provide the proof, there's not a guarantee that you'll get it back. So for instance, let's say your business name is Mario's Junk Removal Service. That would be a decent name for a junk removal business because you're including the keywords junk removal services in the name, but it also doesn't include the name of the city and then a bunch of other spammy words. Keep it relevant and keyword friendly. Writing a clear business description. Next up, write a crystal clear business description. This is where you can describe your business, the services you offer, and the areas you cover. Make sure you utilize all the characters that Google gives you in order to build out your business description. Remember, use keywords, but don't get too spammy in the business description. This will go a long way. Listing your services. Speaking of services, let's list them all out with detailed descriptions. This helps Google and customers understand what you offer. There's a section, I'm going to show you here on my screen, where you can add services, but then you can go in and add further details on each service. Make sure that you utilize all the characters that Google gives you in order to give a detailed business description, and just don't get too spammy again. This will definitely help you with ranking. Ranking factors. The most common question that I get is, how do I rank my Google My Business listing on the other side of the city? The key factor here is proximity. If your business is right there, well, you'll rank higher. If it's far away, well, it's tougher, but don't worry, it can still be done. Optimizing your listing. Once your listing is set up correctly, it's time to optimize it. Add photos, a logo, and here's the secret sauce. Make daily posts. Not just photos, but actual updates. You can add images and descriptions and calls to action. Think of Google My Business as a Facebook profile. If you have a Facebook profile and you never post what you're doing or what you're up to, your friends and family don't see it. Google My Business acts the same way. If you create posts with the service you provide and the cities that you provide that service in, it's going to most likely show you to customers who are actively looking for that service in that specific city. For most of our clients, we're typically posting about 5 times a week, and that is a good number to try and hit. Leveraging your website. It should have pages for all the services and cities that you serve. This is the heart of SEO. I create specific pages for each service in every city. And when I make my Google My Business posts, I link them back to those relevant pages. This just gives Google more information to what you do and where you do it. This is how I outperform everyone, whether it's cleanouts, hot tub removals, or anything else. I've got the pages and the strategy to make Google notice me. I know that was a lot to take in, but if you ever need help or want to chat about your junk removal business, I'm just a call away. You can call me at 503-914-7250, or you can also visit junkremovalmoney.com. I'm here to support you. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this content helpful, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Your support means the world. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to grow your junk removal business, and thanks for watching.